Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week we are talking about teen numbers. We're continuing to talk about teen numbers. And today we're going to talk about one more and one less when we're talking about a number. So remember last week we talked about how teen numbers is always 10 plus another number. Okay, 10 plus another amount. So we're going to go ahead and count these bugs that we have here, and then we'll talk about how many more than 10 it is. Maybe you can see it already, but let's go ahead and just first count the total amount of bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so there's 14 bugs total. Now, 14 would be 10 and how many more? Now remember we have a 10 frame here and it's filled up, so there's 10 bugs here. And how many more are here? 4, right? 4. Very good. So 14 is 10 and 4 more. Now how many would 15 be? Let me go ahead and add just one more. Here's 15. 15 is 10 and 5 more. Let me pull these off and tell me how many this is, do you think, if you can say it quickly? Well, remember, this is 10, and then 11, 12, 13. So this is 13, and 13 is 10, and 3 more. All right, very good. How many would 19 be, do you think, as we go with the same pattern? 19 is 10 and 9 more. And how about 16? 16 would be 10, that's right, and 6 more. All right, boys and girls, so I'm going to go ahead and just put all 15 here. We have the number 15. Now, if I was going to make one more than 15, one more than 15 would be how many? Let me go ahead and get another bug, add them, and then now let's count to see how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So one more than 15 is 16. All right, kind of a messy 6, but you get the idea. There's 16. All right, so how about one less than 15? Let me erase this. One less than 15. And let me go ahead and just take this off of here, put him back. Now we have 10 and 5, which is 15, and we're going to do one less than 15. Take him off. How many is that? 10 and 4 more. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You may have already said it. One less than 15 is 14. Go ahead and write that up here. All right, so we were talking about one more and one less. And here is my 14. Very good. All right, boys and girls, so for our activity to complete, we're going to open to our Stepping Stones book, page 147, and we are doing one more or one less, okay? So first what we're doing is there's 3 problems. We'll do the first one together. You can do the last 2 on your own. I'm going to change my color to black. And I'm looking here at this amount here. And what I'm going to do first is find out how many's here. Now this is a 10 frame and it's full. So how many would that be? That is, you're right, that is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right. And then I have 10 here. Now on this side, in this box, I'm going to put 1 less. So how many would it be if I had 1 less than 10? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just cross this out. I'm going to pretend like that's not there. And how many would that be? 1 less would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 would be 1 less than 10. Very good. All right, so actually now I'm going to do one more. One more than 10. How many would that be? So now I need to add 1, don't I? I'm going to put another circle here. Okay. Now I have 10 and one more. How many would that be? Let's count and find out. You may have already said the answer, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So one more than 10 is 11. Very good. All right. So now on the last two, go ahead and find out what this amount is. And what this amount is, write them there, and then write what one more or one less would be, okay? Now the instructions say you can go ahead and draw counters, so you can draw what that would look like. But I would like you to also write the number, okay? So you can draw the amount. So this one, I won't tell you what that would be. Draw one less dots than this and one more than this here. But also write the amount, okay? Let me give you a hint on this one. 10 and 4 more is how many? All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining me today for math.